bodyguard.
What kind of fireworks are they, Brandy?
I'm looking for one in Atlanta. That's the next tractor pull where we're going to.
Can I see them? Show them to me.
Yeah. Perfect start, 3 for 3. You got $5,000. Got both your feet.
Oh, you can blow these things
So you do need to pick another class.
You didn't blow these up the tree? That's for the green.
Yeah, full screen.
When you went, Brenda.
You ever thought of cutting your hair in a mohawk? You ever thought about that?
Which one do you want? She's asking, Mom.
Amanda, are you going to do one?
We don't have any at home, so.
Okay.
Come here, Brandy.
As long as it's lucky. We've got 5
Amanda, what you did?
I don't. I ain't gonna be here. I ain't gonna be here when y'all are doing that. I wish I could.
Who brought this in? You brought this in?
That's been sitting in here.
Fourth grade
Go put that back in there.
The novel
How did they get past?
who meets a gang of pickpockets in London. Who is the author of that novel?
Put it back in there.
Published in 1838.
Nobody told you to bother nothing.
The story of an orphan who meets a gang of pickpockets in London. Who is the author?
And I don't know John Hart's number right now. Because I guarantee that number ain't been on my damn thing for
All right, Madison's locked in her end.
Look, Shadow's waiting to run outside. Mom, watch the cat.
The office name in my head that I was really still confident about.
Okay.
But I'm thinking that I'm maybe getting it mixed up with.
Say hi, Mom.
So I think I'm going to use a peek and lock that.
Pete.
They let that goddamn cat out on the bus ride.
Pete means you look at